If you're wanting a 15-minute Tai Chi workout that gives you a full body stretch, then you're in the right place. So find a place where you can do some mindful movement. All right, so as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, and just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine, abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body. Just coming into the present moment. Just letting go of all the worries, all concerns, just letting them float on by like clouds in the sky. And then on your next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top if you like, just for a moment. Then let it out with a big sigh, just letting out tension and stress. The hands float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing it towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Taking as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. And then this time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Nice and soft, opening the shoulders and the chest. Decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you want, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. Once more to the other side, connecting sky and earth. And then the bottom hand comes up, and then push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation. Just pushing to the corner, one more time, breathing in and breathing out. This time the bottom hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float right across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, and then a little bit lower. And then release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree right out in front. And then from here, the arms float all the way up overhead. Nice, gentle stretch. The arms float out to the sides. They scoop behind the back. Then they slide down the backs of the legs. You can bend your knees if you like. Then the hands come forward, bending the knees, rising up. Arms open, scoop behind the back, slide down the legs, brushing the earth and the sky. Just coming down as much as you can comfortably. Just letting go of striving. Just a nice gentle stretch. One more time, brushing earth and sky. Then the arms float all the way down by the sides. The fingertips point up. Very gently rotate to one side. The hands come up. One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. And then coming back to center, making the tiger claws. Spiraling the hands, rotating, nice and easy. Breathing in. Breathing out one more time, the tiger claw. And then this time, the hands keep going all the way up overhead, and they spiral out and away from each other. The silk reeling upward spirals. Breathing in, breathing out. We're taking as many breaths as you need. Just feeling into the body, feeling all the sensations, lubricating the joints, circulating the energy. One more time, silk reeling upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float all the way up and over. The fingertips point down. They come right down the center and then spiral out and away. Silk reeling downward spirals. Breathing, nice and easy, nice and slow, no rush, nowhere to go. Can you be here now? Breathing in, breathing out one more time, silk reeling downward spirals. And then circle the arms in front as if you're hugging the big tree. From here, the arms open wide. And this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step right out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just keep on moving. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, parting the horse's mane. And then this time we'll catch the moon, and then making two loose fists, we'll spin the moon, and then gently rotate, looking to the side. One fist overhead, the other by the waist. And then coming back to center, release, catch the moon. Two loose fists, spin the moon, look to the side. Breathing in, breathing out, riding the tiger. All right, one more time, just a gentle rotation. And then parting the horse's mane one more time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. The arms open wide. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the other corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, parting the horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, nice and soft. This time, catch the moon. Two loose fists as you spin the moon, one fist overhead, the other fist by the waist as you gently look to the side. Coming back to center, catch the moon. Two loose fists, spin the moon, gentle rotation, riding the tiger. Still breathing. It's like you're wringing everything out. One more time, ride the tiger. And then parting the horse's mane one last time to the corner. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. Step one foot out a little bit wider. Then from here, the hands come together in front of the heart in prayer position as you soften down. The fingertips guide the way out to the side. Then they scoop around, going out to the other side. The dragon pierces through. So just going side to side, gentle rotation. And you can keep going just like that, or you can let the hands begin to rise up the mountain trail, going to the peak of the mountain, and then going down to the base of the mountain, nice and slow, down the trail, side to side, and then tuning into the body and moving in any way that you feel called to in this moment. The spontaneous dragon. You can totally go rogue. So just really do your dance. Spontaneous dragon. Feeling into the body. Let the energy guide you. And if you don't know what that means, just keep moving. All right, one more time. And then circle in front, hug the tree. And then step the foot in a little bit closer, either one. The arms open wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. Then the hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way under and then back up to the heart. And then down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. Then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. All right, and if you like, you can continue to stand or you can have a seat for some healing flute meditation. All right, so this poem is from my upcoming program. This one's called Graceful Ease. Make every move without force or strain. Find effortless strength without the pain. With gentle flow, you'll find your way. With ease and grace, we learn to play. Thanks so much for joining me for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please go below the video and type in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling right now. And I'll see you in the next video.